Hi guys, this is me, Sir Tawheed, and today we are going to learn past perfect tense. In this lesson, we are going to learn its definition, its structure, and further we are going to have a look at some of its examples. So let's start with the definition. This tense describes the actions or activities that were completed or stopped in the past point of time or before a past event or before a past event or this tense indicate the past in the past means whatever you have completed in the past time or whatever you had stopped doing in the past, you can just describe that thing with the help of this tense. Or if anything stopped before a past time, most of the time this tense is used with a past time. So this shows the action was completed before that point. So you can also say that this tense indicates the past. In the past means something which was past even in the past. Now let's have a look at its structure. There are around 4 basic elements in this structure. The first element is subject. Subject means the doer of anything. Usually it is a kind of person like I, you, we, he, she, or something like this. Then after subject we use helping verb. Here there is only one helping verb, that is had. So it is used with all kinds of subjects. There is no other option. After helping verb, in the third place we have third form of verb, which is also called past participle form of verb. After verb we use object. Object is something connected with the verb. Now let's have a look at some examples. The first example is we had won the match before it rained. This means that we had already won the match when it rained, or when it started rain we had completed the match and we had won it. So this is the meaning of this sentence. Here I used before it rained. This is a kind of event or a past point of time. Before it rained means before the raining started, we had won the match. And this is an affirmative sentence. Now if we want to make it a negative sentence, we only have to use not after the helping verb, which is had. We had not won the match before it rained. We had not won the match before it rained, and this is a negative sentence. It means that when the rain started, before it, we had not won the match. Means the match was not stopped, it was not finished. To make it an interrogative sentence, we only have to do one thing, that is put the helping verb in the first position and the subject in the second. So the sequence will become like this: had we won the match before it rained? And then question mark. Had we won the match before it rained means I'm asking that if the match was completed and won before it rained. So this is an interrogative sentence. Now let's have a look at the second example, which is you had washed the clothes. You had washed the clothes means in the past you had completed your work of washing the clothes. You had washed the clothes. This thing or this action was completed in the past, and this is an affirmative sentence. Now to make it negative, we only have to put not after had. The sentence will become like you had not washed the clothes. You had not washed the clothes. It means that you had not finished your work in the past. And this is a negative sentence. Now to make it interrogative sentence, again we have to put had in the first place and subject in the second place. So the sequence would become like this. Had you washed the clothes? It means it is asked that if the action of washing the clothes was completed or not. Now let's have a look at the third example, which is she had cleaned the room. She had cleaned the room. She had cleaned the room means she had completed this action in the specific past time, and the time is not mentioned here, but it is a specific time, and this is understood. Now if we want to make its interrogative sentence, then we have to do again that we'll put helping verb in the first place and the subject in the second. So the sequence will become like this. Had she cleaned the room? And then in the end we have to use question mark. It means it is being asked that if she had completed this action of cleaning the room. So guys, this is the end of this lesson. I hope you could understand it, and if you have any kind of a problem in understanding them, please ask me. I will try to help you again. So guys, let's end this lesson today now. Inshallah, I'll see you with the next lesson soon. So don't forget to watch my more videos on tenses series, and also subscribe my channel. Bye.